Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well that's okay baby, only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.
Happy birthday, Ate Riza! 18 years of you is equal to 18 years of life. So, keep shining every day. Again, happy birthday to you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Riza! Sabi ni nanay, ako at
Pati na
iyan.
daw kayo. Kikis ka daw si nanay.
Kikis ka na daw niya.
chup-chup.
Mama, chup-chup, I love ka na daw ni nanay.
Johnny.
Happy birthday, Ate Riza.
Raisa, happy 18th birthday. Wish namin na maging masayang arawan mo ngayong araw. Enjoy your special day. Wish namin na pagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Isa sa pinakamagandang pamana ng mga magulang ang pag-aaral. At hiling din namin na lagi kang masog at masaya. God bless you. Stay safe and good health. Happy birthday ulit, Raisa. Ito po.
Hi Raisa, happy 18th birthday. I know that you're old and strong enough to face all the trials and challenges that will come into your way. Always put best in everything you do. Study hard, finish your studies. Always remember that kung gano'n namin kamahal si Papa Ronald mo, of course, mas mahal ka din namin. Looking forward kami na makaband ka together. Busy lang kami, busy lang din ako. Lahat kami busy. Pero lagi mo lang tatandaan na open lagi ang bahay kapag gusto mong bumisita. Okay? Mag-iingat ka palagi. Lagi kang magdarasal. Okay? Enjoy mo lang ang bawat sandali ng iyong buhay. Ngayon na 18 years old ka na, syempre, lagi mong iingatan ang sarili mo. Okay? Lagi kang mag-iingat ng mama mo. We love you and God bless you. Okay?
Hi Mia, if you're watching this, I want you to remember your dreams and how deeply you love. Never forget how special you are to all of us. And cheers to the wonderful adventures and happy 18th birthday. I love you so much.
Hi Mia, happy 18th birthday. So I know it's been tough for you lately, especially you're now in the biggest transition of your life. You're now in college. Now I know you're taking engineering. So but I know you can get through it because even you're the youngest, you're always one of the strongest person I know. And I'm always proud of who you've become, and I hope you know that. So I have a question here. Says, if Mia were to watch this 10 years from now, what do you want her to always remember about herself and how much she's loved? Actually, there's a lot of things that comes up in my mind when it comes to your good qualities, of course. So, isa na dyan you're a straightforward type of person. Actually, that's a really good personality of yours. That's what makes you unique. Why? Because a lot of people nowadays are actual people pleaser, but you're not like one. You're not afraid to say whatever you wanted to say, and you're the one who actually make me realize a lot of things. And you always, give some advices that I need to hear, not something that I wanted to hear, and that's really helpful, especially as an eye opener. So that's what makes you unique. Maybe you don't realize it na ganon, pero a lot of people are actually appreciate your personality. Syempre, mayroong mga tao na misunderstand ka dahil doon, pero it doesn't matter as long as the people around you understands you and appreciate you. So yun lang naman. I hope you're happy during your birthday, and I hope you are blessed in a lot of ways. So since this will be, kung makikita mo pa man to 10 years from now, I hope you can look back and see all the love surrounding you. And maybe, during that time, pamilyado ka na. Joke lang. Happy birthday! Bye!
Okay, so, happy 18th birthday kay Riza Mary S. Bantay. Binati na kita. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, my Dewey in life. I hope you know that we were always here for you, no matter what happened. We love you always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa masarap naming kaibigan, Mia Khalifa. Charot. Happy birthday, Raisa. Hana ay makapag-move on ka na. You know, chat.
Happiest birthday, Mia. I wish you good luck sa lahat ng path na iti-take mo in the future. And always remember that we, your friend, is here for you. And God bless always and keep safe.
Okay, hello. Hi, Rising. Okay, so the question is, if Rising were to watch this 10 years from now, what do you want her to always remember about herself and how loved she is? So yun yun. Okay, so my answer is, I want her to remember to always thirst trap and how loved she is from her stinky breath. Like, sobrang baho ng hininga niya. Ko alam, happy birthday na lang kasi. Okay, so serious na talaga. Ano ko naman? Okay. Thank you for helping me answer my homeworks and always remember, kapag di ka sasama, di din ako sasama. Ganda ko talaga. Okay, so sana yumaman ka kasi lilibre mo pa ako ng Starbucks. And more blessings to come. And yun lang. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Mia. Pag nakikita mo to, always... always remember na lagi kang namin mamahalin at maraming salamat sa mga libre mo. Okay.
Hi Mia, good afternoon, good evening. Anong oras naman ito mapanood ang greetings ko? Mia, it's your day today. 18 ka na. Welcome to adulthood. Congratulations for finally becoming an adult ka nang talaga. Naway masaya ka. At puno ng inspirasyon ang iyong special na araw. Happy 18th birthday, Raisa. Mapanood naman to 10 years from now. Ito lang lagi mong tatandaan. Manatilihin mo ang iyong kabaitan sa iyong puso at ipinagdadasal kita sa Panginoon na gabayan ka niya sa araw-araw at pag-isipan ng mabuti ang mga desisyon mo sa buhay para sa bandang huli hindi mo pagsisisihan. Malaki ka na, 18 ka na, girl. Mahal ka namin ng tito mo. At lagi ka magdadasal sa Panginoon. Okay? Enjoy your special day with your friends. And God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone. Good day, Philippines. So, it's your birthday, Raisa Mary. Should know sa bantay. Happy 18th birthday. May your dreams come true. Parang kailan lang 80 years old ka na. Then ano bang mapapayo ko sa'yo? So yun lang, mag-aral lang mabuti. Then iwasan mo na, kung pwedeng iwasan mo na mag-boyfriend. Focus mo na sa pag-aaral. Kasi yan lang talagang makapagbabago o magpapagbibigay sa iyo ng magandang future na makapagtapos na pag-aaral at makapagtrabaho. And then, malay mo, makapunta ka rin dito, katulad ko sa Amerika, na magtrabaho. At yun lang, again, happy 18th birthday. May your all dreams come true. So, good luck to sa iyong tataking pag-aaral at sana'y matapos mo para makapaghanap ka ng magandang trabaho someday. Happy 18th birthday, Mia. Kuya!
Hi Mia, happy 18th birthday. This is such a special milestone. Welcome to adulthood. We hope your day is filled with laughter, love, and all the blessings you deserve. Enjoy this new chapter of your life and may your journey ahead be as bright and beautiful as you are. Okay, so if you're watching this 10 years from now, syempre, I want you to always remember na you're loved, not just today, pero every single day. You know, kahit saan ka man mapunta sa buhay, don't forget how strong, kind, and amazing you are. Syempre, keep chasing your dreams. By that time, for sure, graduate ka na. Siguro may trabaho ka na din nun. And sana, di ba, hopefully, by that time, financially stable na tayo. Yun lang naman. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Mia! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Oh my God, finally you're officially an adult and pwede ka na makulong as they all say pag nag-18. Ayun. I hope na marami pang birthdays mo ang nandun ako and I wish you good health. Tandaan mo na health is wealth talaga. Ayan. And 10 years from now, I hope when you feel down, lonely, or feeling mo wala kang kakampi sa life and all, tandaan mo na we made this video for you. This is for you to be seen and to feel loved. Gusto ko itong maging reminder sa'yo na andito lang kami parati. Hindi ka namin iiwan. Diba? So, whenever, alam mo yun, sa life hindi laging masaya eh. May mga sad moments, lonely moments. I want you to watch this video and realize na marami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Ayun, sana hindi ka matakot magkamali sa buhay. I mean, hindi mo sasadyaing magkamali but take risks, okay? In life, risks are everything. Kasi walang mangyayari sa'yo if nasa comfort zone ka lang. Hindi ka mag-grow and whatsoever. Ayun. If magkamali ka, bounce back lang ng bounce back. Okay? Kahit magpahinga ka saglit, tayo ulit. Ganon. Diba? Tatandaan mo, nandito lang kami nila Ate Ella mo. Ako, si Nesha. Ayan. I know na you'll be successful in life. Diba? Nakikita ko kasi kung paano ka mag-aral. Grabe ka mag-aral. And sana, huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend. Diba? Pangit man nang manggagaling sa akin, iwasan mo talaga ang lalaki, guys. They're not worth it. Okay? Protect your peace and energy at all costs. Okay, walang kapalit yan. Minsan lang. Minsan ka lang magiging 18, minsan ka lang magiging 19, minsan ka lang magiging 20, minsan ka lang magiging 21. Use your 20s or yan, 18, 19, and all throughout your 20s. Gamitin mo yon as an opportunity to learn and grow. Doon ka mag-focus, okay? Invest in yourself. Huwag ka mag-invest ng iba sa kanila. Invest your time wisely. Piliin mo kung sino paglalaanan mo ng oras, wag kung sino-sino lang. And Mia, once again, happy birthday. We love you. And sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo and sa mga paparating mong birthday.
Hello Mia. If you ever watch this 10 years from now, I want you to remember how special you are. And how much light you bring into the lives of everyone who surrounds you. You are deeply loved, not just for what you do, but for who you are. Very kind, strong, and capable of so much. Never forget that no matter where life takes you, you will always be surrounded by love and support. Always carry with you all my advices and shared experiences, and always remember that your life is a blessing to everyone who knows you. Again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hi Raisa. Happy 18th birthday. Ma-18 ka na, imagine that. Para kailan lang baby ka pa. Wish ko sa'yo maging masaya ka ngayon at lagi. Gabayan ka lagi ng Panginoon, matupad lahat ng dreams mo, maganda ang health mo, health natin lahat ng pamilya. Mag-aral ka lang mabuti, mag-stay ka lang na maging mabait, magalang at marespeto sa kapwa, lalo na sa pamilya. Huwag ka magbabago, maging maganda ka lagi. Mana sa tita. Nandito lagi si tita. Kung hindi pwede kay mama, si tita nandito. Tayo ang partner in crime. So, lagi matatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin. Mag-iingat ka lagi. And happy birthday again. I love you. Hi Raisa, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to. Ngayon, 18 years old ka na, college ka na, mag-aral ka na mabuti. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Maging masaya ka palagi, kahit wala na si papa mo, andito lang ako, andito lang mga tito mo, mga tita mo, pati mga kaibigan mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Ate. Happy birthday, Mia. I love you always.